Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to give some brief introduction about the concept of for loop. Looping procedure plays vital role in VBA macros. Before going to coding part, let's have a look on structure of the for next loop. Here we can find the structure. For loop always starts with for and ends with next. After for, user has to mention the loop variable. For loop variable equivalent to, then user has to provide start value. Next 2 is the keyword. Next we have to provide end value. At the end, if it is required, user has to provide step value. After entering into the loop, user has to provide statements, or we can term it as body of the loop. Exit for is useful if the requirement is fulfilled by the user and it is not required to go for further iterations, then user can use exit for. So this is the brief introduction about the structure of for next loop. So let me explain with an example. Click on developer tab, click on Visual Basic. Here I am inserting a module. Here my program is print numbers from 1 to 11. So now I am writing the subprocedure. Sub denotes subprocedure. This is the procedure name, print numbers. End sub means end of subprocedure. First I am declaring a variable which is named as dim I as integer. I denotes variable name. Integer denotes data type. Here I am writing the for loop for I equivalent to 1 to 11. Here I mention next. For denotes starting position of the loop and next is the end point of the loop. For I equivalent to, I denotes loop variable equivalent to 1 represents start value of the for loop, 2 is the keyword, and 11 denotes end value of the loop. Thereafter, here I am using cells property, cells of I comma 1 dot value equivalent to I. This cells property consists of 2 arguments. First one is row index and second one is column index. Here I am considering loop variable as row index and 1 denotes column number. So let me debug the code. Press F8 to start the debugging. Here we can find application printing the values after entering into the loop. Upon completion of each and every iteration, loop variable value increases by 1. Now I equivalent to 10. Now I equivalent to 11. The moment when user places the cursor on the variable, then application displays variable value. Now I equivalent to 11. After completion of 11 iterations, application exits from the loop. Then it has come to end sub. So this is the brief introduction about the for next loop. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.